How to fix Play Store not working in Realme C53 or C55. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on Google Play Store and click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the data and cache memory of Google Play Store. After clear data and cache memory, then go back to your home screen and check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your internet connection, and after update your internet connection, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.